Things weren't looking good for Bitcoin this morning. Things aren't looking good for Ethereum either. Guys, we have 3 candles in a row with red volume bubbles. This means there is notable sell pressure from whales. On the flip side, though, today there does appear to be a slight amount of buying pressure from those same whales. So, if we're able to flip the sentiment at $3,673, I think we're in the clear. If we break below this area, though, Ethereum may be in trouble. Here's how we're looking to trade it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, we have 314 wins, 0 losses in our membership trade. Earlier this week, we talked about how we may be selling $100,000 worth of our crypto based on the fact that Bitcoin may be about to fall off a cliff. Today, we are going live with our members in the Inner Circle Live Zoom Hangout. So if you have any questions about that or want to see what we're planning to sell, you need to join that from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today. We hope to see you there, and if you want to join us but are not a member, you can sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Getting started, we're trading Ethereum USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, volume bubbles, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. We were recently trading within a symmetrical triangle pattern, but about a week ago, we ended up breaking above this. Most often, a break up from here is going to be a pretty significant move. However, we got a sell signal with a red volume bubble, price versus while money flow topped out and began selling out of the market, and this has pushed the price down since then. We're quickly headed towards $3,673, and this is despite yesterday interest rate cuts and the end of quantitative tightening, which should, in theory, be bullish from the Fed. This is not how the market reacted, though, and we are seeing downwards moves. Right now, we see whales are selling based on the large amount of sale volume. Today, this may change. We need to see a green buy volume bubble in order for us to see a move up. Otherwise, we need to be careful. On the weekly time frame, we see whales are selling out of the market dramatically and have plenty of room to do so. This is where a move down to $3,500 in the next few weeks could come into play. If on the weekly we're able to see price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, if we could see a buyer strong buy signal, and especially if we can see green volume bubbles, just as we did down here, buy signal, green volume bubble, price versus while money flow, trades in favor low. This is where we saw a move up from candle close to the top of 210% in Ethereum. Now, again, I think this could be a few weeks before that happens, but that means a potential few weeks of dropping. Those few weeks of dropping are not confirmed, though. In fact, here at Trade Confident, we are still overall bullish, but we are managing our risk with a major sell order in order to secure profits just in case. Overall, we are still looking for moves up. The last few rate cuts have actually resulted in new all-time highs for Bitcoin. You can see back here, boom, boom, and boom. So, with that in mind, after yesterday's rate cut, even if there is bearish sentiment, we still could see major bullish moves after that. With that in mind, we could be looking to buy the dip. Again, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, buyer strong buy with a green volume bubble. Any combination of 3 out of these 4 signals should be very bullish for Ethereum and for Bitcoin. We're focusing on Ethereum, though. As we approach a buyer strong buy signal, volume bubble green, price versus while money flow low, and trades in favor low, we need to be ready for drops as far down as 3,500 or maybe even lower if whales really begin tanking out. This is just a buy opportunity. I want to reiterate this. I know I'm talking bearish talk here. I know that sounds scary. This drop, I believe, is temporary and will present with a fantastic entry opportunity for a bullish move to the upside. Keep that in mind. Overall, Trade Confident is still bullish despite the recent couple of days of crashes. We're talking about that in our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Do not hesitate to join this, guys. We have a live training and then live Q&A with all of our members. So if you want to ask us questions personally, sign up for a membership at the links in the description down below. Right down here, first link is what you're looking at. It's 25% off your first month once it loads. Boom, here we are, 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Indicators tab, you're saving $150 off the Pro Indicator Pack. This is getting you the price versus well money flow and trades in favor and many more. Pro Indicator Pack comes with a $400 off discount code for the TC Top and Bottom Finder, and purchase of either of these gets you 60% off the volume bubbles if you send us an email at betradeconfident@gmail.com. No matter what happens, guys, we know big moves are coming. You can't afford to miss out. Snag these indicators as soon as possible. Sign up for a membership, watch that future forecast, and join us for the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you soon.